Hey, welcome back. So for this video, we're going to make this stand right here where we're intersecting two extrusions to create a nameplate. So in my case, if I turn this way, I have A, B, C, D. If I turn it this way, I have 1, 2, 3, 4. So you can use this for names. So let's get started. So at this point, notice we're going to create 3 sketches and several extrusions. So let's go ahead and start by creating a new part studio. So create part studio. So here I'm going to go to my front plane. I'm going to create a sketch. I'm going to select my text and choose whatever height you want. So here I'm going to put capital A, B, C, D, and I'm going to hit this check mark right here. I'm going to extrude. I'm going to turn it out. I'm going to go in the opposite direction, and I'm going to go towards the back. So once again, we're facing the front view, so we're going towards the back. And just extend it out however much you want. And let's accept this. So now I'm going to go to the right plane. So I'm going to go and create a sketch on this right plane. Go to the right side. So now I'm going to add a text box. I'm going to lock this in at the origin. And I'm going to make this at the same height as my previous extrusion. I'm going to type out 1, 2, 3, 4 and hit the check mark. So now I'm going to extrude. However, I'm going to do intersect. I'm going to go towards this part over here. And I want to select merge with all. So notice we've just merged our 2 extrusions. So go ahead and click this check mark. So now we have 16 icons created, or 16 parts. So go ahead and delete part. So select this box here. Let's get rid of these items. And this last one here. And go ahead and accept. Alright, so we should be left with this here. So now we're going to create a plate to merge everything together. So I'm going to go to my top view, sketch on the top view. Let's go ahead and create a construction line centered at the origin. And let's just not lock this in yet. So let's leave this right here. And I'm leaving it centered on this last text, or this last part and the first part. All right, so at this point, go ahead and select your line tool. Let's create a line that is perpendicular to our construction line. Let's make sure it's parallel. So notice it is now parallel to my construction line that is highlighted in orange. And I'm going to extend it out a little bit. And then I'm going to go and connect it to my construction line. But it has to be perpendicular to the construction line. Oops, didn't connect, so I got to make sure I go. So select, and make it coincidental. That didn't work out. So I'm going to delete this line. I'm going to add a line again. And now it's connected. All right, so now I deselected my line. I select mirror. My construction line is my mirror. And I'm going to click on these items over here. All right, so if I don't like how my plate comes out, I can adjust it and keep everything symmetric. So at this point, make sure you click on extrude. We're going to go up until we are satisfied with the height of the plate. We're going to go in the second end position, so select this part. And let's bring this up a little bit. And there we go. So let's make sure we select add and merge with all. And go ahead and accept. And here we have our nameplate that now we can 3D print. So if you want to 3D print this, go ahead and right click on part 1, select export, download it as an STL file. Make sure for my class we're in millimeters. And go ahead and click export. And then make sure you send that file to me or whoever you're going to send it to so you can 3D print it. Anyways, thanks for watching. And that's all.